Want to become a professional graphic designer in just 4 months? Join the short-term graphic design course and start your creative journey today. This course offers practical training with flexible learning options, including both online and classroom sessions. Learn graphic design fundamentals, digital illustration, photo editing, and professional layout techniques. Get hands-on experience with industry-standard tools like Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. Master design basics, typography, and color theory, along with advanced image editing and portfolio creation. Build real-world projects, develop a strong portfolio, and gain practical skills required by the industry. Open doors to careers like graphic designer, digital illustrator, image editor, and more. Start your design career today. Enroll now and turn your creativity into a profession.